Hey guys, it's Sam here with Rosie Red JK on Instagram. I'm helping CPO out with an install for JK Pocket Center console. Let's do it.
Hey there, CPO here, and in this video I have another guest install. This time it's from my friend Sam. Now, you may recall a little while ago, maybe a week or two ago, I did a video showing how to install the JK Pockets from Slickrock gear. Super cool product. Put all four of the door pockets in, but I did not have a way to install that center console pocket because I have a switch panel there. So my friend Sam over on Instagram at Rosie Red JKU, check her out. She has volunteered to show us how to install that center console. So I shipped that over to her, and she's going to show us right now on her Jeep how that goes together.
All right, we got to take this piece off right here. To do that, we're going to use a flathead screwdriver. Just insert it in. There's 4 clips up here. There's 2, 3, and 4. We're just going to pull this piece out. To get the rest of this piece all the way out, you're going to have to pop this up as it's connected in here a little bit. Now we'll take this to the front. I've already cut mine off previously, but I'll show you how to cut it. All right, now we have to cut this piece out right here. The netting that's usually here, I've previously already cut mine out, but I didn't realize the backside needs these clips that we have to make sure those are out as well. And all these extra little pieces of netting, make sure they're all cleared for the JK Pocket. All right, now that we've got all the netting off the interior piece, now it's time to install the JK Pocket into the interior piece. What we're gonna do, we're gonna start out putting one tab of the JK Pocket, top one, into this interior piece, and slowly work our way around, making sure that seats down in there. We're slowly gonna keep working and flexing the JK Pocket. They say it's a snug fit because it doesn't rattle. So we're gonna keep working, and like that, we have a new JK Pocket installed. Let's install it into the Jeep. All right, so we're back in Rosie Red. We're gonna get this interior piece installed and finish wrapping it up. What we're gonna do is take the interior piece, put it back in like we were before. This console part's still kind of loose, so we can put it down in there. Slides right in. Pops right in. This console, right back together. We'll go ahead and turn the key to on. Put this back to neutral. Put my baseball shifter back on. Neutral, park, key brake off, and we're installed. Thanks CPO for the opportunity.
I really appreciate it. Thanks for helping us with that. And by the way, go check her out on Instagram. As you can see here, she's got a lot of cool pictures and videos. So go check her out at Rosie Red JKU. And thanks again, Sam. And to all of you, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.